Hey gut feelers, in this video, finally, highly requested, we're going to talk about how to get rid of gas in your gut. Now, I'm going to share with you 4 simple tips to get started improving your digestion and also lowering the intestinal gas that you have. This video was requested from a lot of people, just mentioning 2 gut feelers here who commented in the last days. SIBO 12, who has IBS and takes IBS medication, and she asks how she can get rid of all the gas that she has in her stomach. She's always bloated. And then we have Mike, who has SIBO and gas and wants to know what he can do to improve his condition as well. Now, let's dive right into the 4 simple tips, what you can do, starting with number 1. One of the biggest things is that we want to make it easy for your digestive system. The easiest way to make it easy for your digestive system is to have simple meals. So forget about brunch, forget about buffet. I love buffet as well. I love eating all of this, but for your digestion, this is the worst thing. Needs the most enzymes, depletes your stomach acid, makes you bloated more. It's just a lot of digestive effort. Now, the worst food combining mistakes, which I highly recommend you to avoid if you want to get rid of gas, is to combine protein and carbs. So animal protein, like for example meat, just imagine some meat here, and then having sweet potatoes or anything starchy. This is a bad combination. Now for somebody who doesn't have any issues, it's fine to eat that. You will still need more enzymes than if you would eat, for example, sweet potato with greens or having the meat with greens. Much better combination. And then of course we are here in Panama, so what we have here is an empanada. Looks delicious, smells amazing, and what's in there? It's either cheese or ham. This one is the one with ham. And that's exactly the worst combination. So you have like the pasta, you have the processed white wheat flour outside, which makes you bloated even more. And then you have the protein source here, animal protein, ham or cheese. Try also to avoid processed carbohydrates like pasta, white rice, or gluten-containing bread, if you want to make it easier for the digestive system and you also want to reduce the gas in your stomach. So number 1, simple meals, the best, and avoid the food combining mistakes. I've got a video where I talk about the 3 worst food combining mistakes. So if you want to learn more about that, I link that down below in the description. Number 2, this concerns those beautiful creatures here from nature. These are apple bananas, by the way, ripe. They're actually medicinal bananas. They smell amazing. Talking about fruit. Now, fruit is amazing for your system. Fruit is amazing for your digestion. Don't eat those sugars. They are bad. Those sugars are amazing and they help you heal. But number 1 mistake I see a lot of people make is don't want to eat fruit if you have anything else in your stomach. So, tip to avoid gas if you eat fruit is to always eat fruit alone and on an empty stomach. If you want to take it one step further, you even want to do a mono meal. So you want just to eat one type of fruit. Not just one banana, just one type of fruit. So just bananas, for example. Have a banana smoothie in the morning. That's the best time to eat fruit. Or if you haven't eaten for 4 hours or more and you feel like your stomach is empty, it's fine to eat a banana or some other fruit as well during the day. Guys, before we come to number 3, how to avoid gas in your stomach, if you're still watching, please hit that like button so other people know this is a valuable video and their time is good invested in this. Number 3, improving your stomach acid is one of the key features that you want to do if you have gas or any digestive issues. Because your stomach is one of the first points of contact where food starts to be broken down. I've got a whole playlist just about stomach acid, so make sure you check that out. If you want just one tip right now how to improve your stomach acid, do celery juice 16 ounces in the morning every day. And then half an hour later have your breakfast. And that's just one way of improving your stomach acid. There are more. Last but not least, you probably won't like this one. And that is to stop feeding pathogenic bacteria or even parasites in your gut which produce excessive gas. Healthy bacteria produces gas, but not in a way that you are majorly bloated or you have a lot of gas. So focusing on stopping to feed pathogens in your body. Best way to do that is through diet, because food is really just 2 things. Either you eat food that feeds pathogens, It's a lovely empanada. Or you eat foods that actually kill pathogenic bacteria and that help the good guys to thrive. If you want to learn more about that, I have a video which is titled "Why Do Eggs, Dairy and Gluten Make You Feel Worse?" You make sure you check that out as well. Short and quick summary of the 4 things you want to do if you want to improve your gas, if you want to improve your digestion long term. Simple meals, the more simple the better. Avoid the food combining mistakes. Eat fruits alone on an empty stomach. Improve your stomach acid, really important to break down foods properly so they stop rotting in your gut and they stop producing gas. And number 4, stop feeding the bad guys, the pathogenic bacteria, and improve the good gut bacteria. If this content was valuable for you, please use the share button under this video, spread the good news, and let your friends know that this is valuable information.